Cool. Just a moment. Thank you. I want to get one, two, and three. Cool. Last year I retired from the Disney company after 45 years, and you've been a wonderful boss. You know that. So thank you. And we're celebrating his birthday. He's 21 again. Again.
Thank you, Uchi.
It's great to have you here. Thank you.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
You didn't do it on purpose.
Uh-oh.
How are you doing? You know what? The picture looks just like you. I don't know how that happened. Has anyone ever told you between you and Chip, you are the better looking? It is true. It is true. You are the better looking. Thank you very much.
There we go. Cool.
We're live here with Pluto. We're getting all the latest news of what's happening here at Epcot Center. This is such a neat place. Thank you for inviting us to be here today. And we're celebrating Adam's birthday. Did you know it's his 21st birthday again? I don't know how many again, but
A few again.
and today is my 31st visit to the Walt Disney World Resort over all the years. My first time was 1978. A long time ago. Yeah, I've seen it grow from like one little part into seeing Pluto taking charge of all kinds of stuff.
Exactly.
Well, thank you. It's so nice to be here. Oh, you're so loved. Thank you, Pluto. Thank you, Pluto. Chip, got a question for you. Now, between you and Dale, I think you are the better looking of the two. Isn't that true? You work out much more. You're just such an incredible person. But don't worry that I said that. It's our secret. Hey, we're celebrating Adam's birthday. It's his 21st birthday again. I don't know how many agains that is. Oh, yes. We almost got photobombed.
We almost did.
It's so good to see you.
Thank you, Chip.
Oh, it is so good to see you. It's Adam's birthday.
Oh. Thank you.
You know, that was a big high four. High four! Yay! It's only got 4 fingers.
Yeah.